Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another How to Create Upcycled Puppets. This is a very special episode because I found what I consider a very unique Elmo doll. There he is. There's Elmo's face there. Let's see if we can remove the arm. So again, I just need that one arm. This one here, not so much. That's where the switch is. Okay. Oh, this is so cool. Remove some of the foam. A lot of foam in that arm. It just kind of pulls right through. Okay. All right. Let's turn this baby inside out. Come on, Elmo's arm. Work with me. Okay, so there is the switch. The switch. Come on. It's right there. I mean, it's like so close. It's not even funny. Okay, there he is. There's the switch. It's in a bag. It's in one of those little cloth bags that's sewn to the Elmo. But I think, hold on. I think if I take the seam ripper and pop that stitch right there, awesome. Okay, so now we've got we've got the Elmo arm out, the switch is out. Now I have to figure out how to get the rest of the Elmo off of the mechanism. Okay. This is where it gets a little dicey. Okay, so there is a spot there. Okay, we're going to start cutting because I'm able to see. Hang on. Let's cut the back of his arm. This ought to do it. I'm getting close. Again, the whole thing is to save that pizza. The pizza's the key. I mean, yeah, it'd be neat to have an Elmo face, but again, I'm more concerned about the pizza. Okay, so it's got a little plastic deal there. Okay, so here's what I'm doing. I'm peeling back right here. Sorry, I should have been bringing you up to speed on this. Okay, so it's all peeled back. Okay. And the pizza is held on. There's like a little plastic deal under the pizza there. Hold on. I'm dissecting an Elmo. This is so cool. Okay. I've still got the Elmo head. That's good. This could end up being a Pickle Me Elmo. I think we'll use it for that because, frankly, that's pretty cool. Okay, so again, there's some sort of like a plastic kind of deal there, but it's sewn to the fabric. So I'm thinking if I can get the stitches popped on this a couple spots, I think we'll be able to remove the fabric very easily and preserve the mechanism. Let's see, can we do it? Can we do it? Is it started? Yep. Okay. So I'm just going to start tearing tearing those seams. I'm going to cut